that barely goes high enough. Harbor freight jacks. I better keep the floor jack under there, just in case. Well, guys, let this be a lesson to you, right? I took the jackstand out from the axle, and then I wanted to lower the truck down a little bit so I can put the tire back on. Because the tire's heavy trying to pick it up and put it out on the bolts, right? So while I'm lowering it, the jack slid out. Good thing I wasn't underneath there, right? So I thought the floor jack was stuck underneath the truck, but now I was able to slide it out. I guess I must be sitting on the drum there on the rotor. This is what slipped out, and I was using this because I need to go up those extra inches, right? Now I got it sitting on the diff. The only reason why I had that block on there because I wanted 10 extra inches of lift. So the truck is sitting flat, you know. With the one wheel up on the ramp over there, I didn't want the frame to be in a twist, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean.